Hey guys, welcome back to Mellow Bites. So, I was shopping at Home Center in Chennai. Home Center is a very famous retail outlet that serves destination for purchasing a wide variety of home goods, including furniture, home furnishing, accessories. And here we are at Kitchenware. And here I picked up something really useful for my kitchen. The Home Center Valeria stainless steel chopping board. Yeah. And it's unboxing time with this stainless steel chopping board. Before we even open the pack, let's see what's mentioned in the packet. This chopping board is made up of 100% food grade stainless steel. It's rust and stain resistant. Most importantly, it's antibacterial, which makes it super safe for everyday cooking. It also comes with an inbuilt measuring scale, which is really handy for precise cutting. And what I found interesting is that it even has Chef Ranveer Brar's tip on handling the board. Some more features are listed here, like it is easy to clean, lightweight yet sturdy, it's long lasting one, and the handle is there for easy holding and hanging. Alright, let's get into the unboxing now. I'm going to open this package. Here it is. Very compactly packed. And wow, look at this board. It's looking very sleek. There's a slight lamination cover over it. Let's first peel off the lamination cover. This board is really sleek and shiny in silver with a solid rectangular shape. The size is mentioned like 33 cm by 25.5 cm with 1.5 cm thickness. So it's really perfect for daily use. Even though it's steel, trust me, it's not too heavy. Just about maybe 400 grams. I feel it's easy to lift and move around. The surface feels smooth and durable, perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, meat, or even fish. Because it doesn't absorb any food odors or stains, I feel the stainless steel boards are more hygienic and much easier to maintain. It's just wash, wipe, and it's ready for next use. The only drawback I felt is it is not dishwasher safe, maybe because the handle here is plastic. Anyways, it's very easy to clean, I guess. Let's try chopping my first ever vegetable onto this chopping board. Before that, I made sure to wash it one time. Let me chop some green beans. As usual, I am discarding the edges of the green beans. I am just literally looking forward to see if there is any knife marks that's getting deep or it's really good. So let's cut on the green beans and get to know if there are any scratch marks seen or how it is. Let's check. What I love about this stainless steel chopping board is it looks modern and matches well with my other kitchen tools. And I would like to mention the knife I'm using is Kai knife. You can see the Kai knife unboxing videos as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. So I made sure to chop few of the green beans so that let's check it now. Look at this. So this is a scratch mark that you see while chopping it. I think it's absolutely fine and it's working great. So that's my unboxing and first impression of the Home Center stainless steel chopping board. Durable, lightweight, easy to maintain, and definitely a smarter upgrade compared to wooden or plastic chopping boards. Meet you in another unboxing video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.